Hi everyone, Professor Barlow, peers from Los Angeles Pacific University. My name is Nidia and today I'm presenting a video on nonverbal communication. For my topic, I have select Botox. So today our humanity seek for the fountain of youth. And by doing so, they inject Botox in their faces to treat wrinkles or to help to minimize the effect of the wrinkles. However, they have not found yet the fountain of youth. So what is Botox? So Botox is actually a toxin that was discovered by Dr. Kerner. Dr. Kerner had a case in the 1820s in Germany in which a lot of people ingested past due sausages. He discovered that this toxin works in the human body by paralyzing the muscles. The Food and Drug Administration, also known as the FDA, approved Botox in 1989. And this opened the doors for the treatment to many different illness and treating patients that had incurable diseases. Some of the medical use that we have for Botox is the relief of muscle spasms. We also have stop excessive sweating. And we also have fixed swallowing problems. This one is actually one of the treatments that is used constantly in patients that have problems with the esophagus, and it has become a wonderful treatment that has bring a better life for them. We also have, for medical use, relief of eyelid spasm. So when you see somebody winking at you, think twice to wink back. Then we have excessive drooling. This has a special care for kids that are with disabilities. Excessive drooling has been treated with Botox injection on their the mandibula for all the kids that are suffering with disabilities and they don't understand how the drooling process work. And then we have, of course, the most famous one, which is chronic migraines. Chronic migraines comes from very far, and there was the many treatments and medication that had really bad side effects. Botox came into the market and it happened to be the most successful treatment for people that suffer with such a bad migraine pain. Then we have Bell palsy. Is anybody familiar with Bell palsy? I'll tell you a personal story. 11 years ago, I was working in a banking industry and I went to work and my boss said, "Your face is droopy," and she called 911. I was transported to the emergency room, and as you can see, it looks like it is a droopy side, like the symptoms of the CBA. So when I got to the hospital, the doctor, after he did all the testing, said, "I will go ahead and make a referral so you can visit the doctor and get Botox injections to minimize the droopy face. So when the muscle gets paralyzed by the medication, it kind of masks your face side that is losing the strain in the muscle." So, ladies and gentlemen, as I told, I found the fountain of youth. Moving on, College of Medicine, Movement and Disorders studied for 12 years different cases and treatments with different illness and diseases to see if Botox is a treatment of choice that they can use. FDA and the College of Medicine, Movement and Disorders has discovered that during 12 years of treatment, they make a scale from 0 to 4. In that scale, 3.7 of the cases were totally successful. And as you can see, they create a hypothesis. So when they create a hypothesis, they collect data. They took different illness and diseases and they did trials until they discovered that only between 36 and 45 persons from 18 million had adverse reaction to Botox injection. So I will say, if you need to use Botox, whether it's medical reasons or just a preference to treat yourself, be sure safety first. You want to be sure that you are selecting a qualified, well-trained person and that the clinic is clean and is having also a sterile procedure when they do in the process of the injection of you. If you have any questions, if you want to find clinics and providers that does this treatment, please, you can visit www.botox.com, So overall, Botox is a treatment that has become famous nowadays. Botox is not only the use for beauty, but it's also to help people that has incurable diseases. It has been a better quality of life for many people that didn't have a hope. Botox comes from very, very far years, since 1820, from a simple mistake of eating a past-due sausage. So today I will say, whether you want to treat a wrinkle or two, Botox has been one of the best medications that open doors and bring a better quality life for those that suffer incurable disease. So thank you for watching.